All right, guys, take a look at this. That is atrocious. So yesterday we actually had people over, so that's why it's a mess. That's why food's still out, stuff's still out. However, last night I had such an atrocious headache, so I was like, okay, I should go to bed, think about my well-being, and not worry about the clutter. Now, typically I'm the type of person that I can't go to bed unless it's cleaned up, but I said to myself, no, I'm gonna relax. I'm going to take care of this tomorrow. So now here we are, it's tomorrow, and I gotta take care of it. So now come along with me, we're gonna clean. I only have about an hour until my next meeting. I kind of have a quick break throughout the day, so we're just gonna do a quick speed clean with me. Perfect, so we're all clean now. So I'll kind of show you guys here. Perfect. In the living room. Oh, besides a wine bottle that was holding up my phone during this. We'll put that over here for now. We'll put that away later. But regardless, here's our clean, beautiful, minimalistic home. You can see the living room and everything is perfectly here, clean in the kitchen. So besides one cutting board in the sink that I'm just letting soak a little bit just so then I can clean it off a little bit later. But one thing that I do like to do is I do like to light a candle and just kind of relax after I've cleaned, because I feel like it kind of, I don't know, makes the scent a little bit better in the house, makes it just a little bit more lively. Also, if you noticed in my previous videos, I actually did mention that limoncello candle. I'll actually link the video down here if you're curious, but I love that limoncello because it smells like, you know, like that Pledge solution that you use to clean, or at least, I don't know, my parents used to use it to clean when I was growing up. So it always makes me think of like a super, super clean household. So with that, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys got inspired to clean your house as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye guys.